Volkswagen Beetle in stock condition.
You know, a lot of folks think the Beetle was built for, 50 years, whatever it is, with no changes. Not true. There were 31 changes alone in 1961. The biggest of them was synchro in low and first gear on transmission. So driving and stopping, no traffic even involved as much crunching and grunting. I do like the bias blind tires, which are correct on this. A lot of guys will take you for a radio, but that's the correct type of tire.
So these early Beetles, you're going to see glass-covered headlamps, small turn signals, a smaller windshield than in later years, the antenna mounted here on the front fender, and then a smaller rear window than later cars would have. This does have the larger tail lamps that they came with originally.
And there's a time, my dad, he went through a string of these things driving to and from American work for many years in Southwest Mass. I would ride in the back below that window on the Mass bike and look up at the lights. I was small enough to fit back there. I think about that, but I was mesmerized by the lights. But I would actually get back there and watch the lights.
Nice and clean under, I say hood, under the rear deck lid.
Steve, my dad went through a whole series of these as well. In fact, we had a 1961, and my dad used to deliver newspapers out of them in Bel Air, California. He'd pull out the passenger seat on the right side, stack it up with newspapers. I'd sit in the back on a board, and he would go through Bel Air and keep his papers out right and left, and eventually I'd get car sick from all the fumes of the paper.
Here in New England, these were difficult cars to own because they did not have a standard heater system with a water-fed heater core to blow the air through. There were boxes surrounding the exhaust manifolds. Air blew from there up to the windshield. It was an inefficient system at best in a New England winter.
Growing up in Los Angeles, they were just fine. $10,500 for a 1961 Volkswagen Beetle. All right.